Hey girls, this is Kelly and today I'm gonna do a video on how I pretend to be a part of Jefree Star's Magic Concealer. I know you guys will be like, what the fuck? But anyways, I just really wanted to try it because Jefree Star just launched his new Magic Concealer and setting powder and I'm really excited to try them out. I have already ordered from his store and I'm very excited for the delivery. Anyway, in his display shot, he has a pink background and also a semi-baked face. So today, I'm gonna do that and also Photoshop myself into the group picture that he has. And let's see how it goes. So let's get started. I know I look very ghetto right now because that big hoops and also like this braids thing going on. But today is one of those days that I really don't want to wash my hair. So I have my helper do my braids for me. I really want to try them out but I still don't know how to do it. If you have any good tips on how to braid your hair, please drop it down below in the comment bar. Oh my god, I really look super ghetto and seriously, I have no makeup on right now. I look like crap. Okay, so let's go into Jefree Star's Instagram and see what the semi-baked looks like because I don't remember the exact picture of it. I'll insert it in this video for you guys but right now I just want to try and like look it up. So anyways, I just want to be a part of them, so I'm just gonna insert myself beside this girl in black hair. Okay, let's get started and I know this prank would be hilarious. I don't have the Jefree Star Magic Concealer or setting powder right now, but once it's arrived, I will update you guys on Instagram and also upload it on YouTube. So if you guys don't want to miss out on any updates, please remember to follow me on my Instagram. I'll just put it here and also on my channel. Subscribe. And since you're already here, just press on the notification bell so you will not miss out on any of my uploads. Okay, let's get started. Can I say that I really love the Jefree Star brushes? They are amazing. Oh my god, have you guys seen my review on it? Oh, have I posted the Sephora sale? If you guys haven't watched it, remember to go watch it. Today I'm just going in with the Clinique foundation. This is the Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer and it also has an SPF of 19++. So I've lightly spreaded out my foundation and today I'll be using this beauty blender by BELLE. It's a local beauty blender store. So I really like it because it is so freaking fluffy and it just takes me 2 seconds to wash it. I don't know why beauty blenders are so, like the real beauty blenders are so difficult to wash, but this one is amazing. And it's only $8. Sponsored to say that, nor PR'd. So if you guys want to try this out, I'll also link this product in my description box, so don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna use this Nars concealer in vanilla. Something to brighten up my face. And then I'm gonna use a Nabla concealer. This one has a darker shade. It kind of can blend out my skin tone with the rest of my face so it won't look so weird. I don't want to use such a, you know, highlighting color on my face for my blemishes because if not, your blemishes will look even more prominent. So to bake my eyes, since I don't have the Jefree Star Magic Concealer nor the setting powder here yet, I'm gonna use my favorite RCMA powder. I know it still has a lot, it's been like 1 year since I bought it. Don't know why. I really hate how it comes in like a pepper salt bottle like that. Like this could have come in this kind of packaging so like I won't waste the powder. So I took the advantage of Smarty Pants Cal and I put it in an empty container. I usually just pour this in and then it comes in a little container like that. Honestly, when I was ordering the Jefree Star Magic Concealer and setting powder, there weren't any shades left, so I bought C8, which is a light shade with olive undertone, and also for the setting powder I wanted to go for beige but it was all sold out already, so I bought the shade in fair. So if you guys, but right now I still don't know how the shades looks on me, so I'm a little bit scared. Hopefully it looks good. And then I'm just going to go in down here. Ah! I'm messing this up already. Okay, I'm just gonna go in using the Goof Proof from my eyes. Blech. Using the Goof Proof from my brows. Favorite brow pencil for the time being. I'm in the shade 06. It's the deeper shade since my hair is so dark right now. Is my eyebrows a little bit too thick? I bronze up my face with the ColourPop bronzer in After the Light. I can see that everyone has a purple glam eye, so today I'm gonna use the ZOEVA Cocoa Blend. It's been so long since I last touched this palette. And to be honest, am I the only one that keeps this plastic from all my palettes? Because I feel that like I really need this plastic to keep it hygienic, but honestly, what does it really do? I don't understand. So if you guys relate to this, please comment down below. I don't know, am I really the only one? Now I'm just going in with this brown shadow for my crease, and then this for the inner part of my eyelids, and then also using the Jefree Star brushes. I'm going in with a light brown on my crease first, and then I'm slowly blending it with my JS brush. And then going in with a white shade, lightly brush it on my top of the crease and then just like make it into a transition color. Next, I'm just gonna use my finger and pick up some plummy color from the palette itself and then put it on top of my eyelids. And then going in with a black color and then pop it on the end of my crease and the outer side of my eyes. Dolls Out Beauty lashes. If you guys haven't seen my video on how to apply eyelashes, you guys can go watch it. I'll link it on top. Hopefully you guys like that video because I think it's quite informative, and if you're a beginner, I think it will be a very useful video for you. While I wait for my eyelashes to be dry, I'm just gonna overline my lips with the KYLIE Ginger Pencil. I'm gonna use the Princess Belle lipstick by ColourPop. It's this color. Hopefully it matches. I'm going to highlight my eyes with the Canon gel liner. This is in black. Ooh, I look really very ghetto. Is this too much? Using the Fenty bronzer, I'm going to contour my nose. I have an in-depth review on this bronzer as well. Honestly, on Instagram, I kind of told you guys that I have second thoughts on this, right? Any one of you is from the Insta family, please tell me. Because I really want to know if people actually come to me from Instagram or like from YouTube to Instagram. So most of them have a golden highlight, so I'm going to go in with the MAC highlighter in Old Darling. Current favorite highlighter brush is from JS as well. So for highlighters, I'm obviously putting it on my nose bridge, chin, brow bone, as well as my Cupid's bow. Cupid's bow is a must. Ooh, yeah, girl, it's done. Slightly Insta baddie too. Really. So this is my final look, and I'm gonna do the Photoshop for you guys right now. So I'm just actually slowly coloring myself in. Kinda looks pretty legit. I'm not sure if it's the right way to do it, but some somehow pretty legit. And I'm just gonna put it downwards. Voila, I'm done!